Hey everybody, it's Country Boy coming at you today. Pretty nice outside today. I thought I'd do a quick review on my 76 Chevrolet pickup, a little four-wheel drive. I had a few people like it and I wanted to show it to y'all. It's rough, so don't laugh. It's got 31 1050 tires on it. Lock in, lock out hubs, four-wheel drive. Me and a buddy of mine made this brush guard at Nautilus at a machine shop and welded it on. I like my little brush guard. Got little places for fog lamps, but like I said, I ain't put them on there yet. Here's the motor. It's built 350. The heads have been shaved on it. Pretty good running little motor, don't use no oil or nothing. I think it mirrors off the Ford, but it don't matter. My truck gets sick sometimes. I think it's because it's got a Ford part on it. Custom Deluxe. There's a bed. It's a step side bed. Chevrolet dual exhaust. My stickers in the back window. A country boy can't survive. Ain't that the truth? One of my favorite stickers too as well. Professional relaxer. I'm a professional at it. Real good at relaxing. Getting ready to go fishing today. I hope I can make a good video for y'all. I got my rods and reels. Usually take 5 with me fishing. Got some crankbaits and jigs and rubber worms tied on in my tackle box. The inside here, pretty rough. That's a custom dash job did by me. I used some camouflage cloth and 3-inch paneling nails and nailed them in my dash, but I fitted it all around pretty good. It's a custom dash job. Got the old rebel flag bandana hanging with the bass. Camouflage seat cover. Did have a camouflage steering wheel cover, but it broke. Got a little old Sony CD player in here. All the necessities of home right here. That's my little interior light right there. Little smiley face from Walmart. Fire this thing up for y'all and let you hear it run. Love my truck, like old things. Running. You can hear that big old breeze is sucking a lot of air, but I tell you what, that motor runs real good. Got headers on it. Got a Harley carburetor 4-bar on it. Fires like a cannon. Alright y'all, I'm gonna wrap it up. Review my 76 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe half-ton 4-wheel drive pickup. Bye.